A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video in which we'll be covering Blur for the first time technically, because when I made my first video on Blur, when it just got announced that it would be listed on Coinbase Pro as the first exchange, I believe, even though it was kind of listed simultaneously, I actually analyzed a fake Blur on xt.com, a different exchange, and that was actually at like $20 or something. I thought it was already listed. I mean, I didn't know that it was that the whole listing was kind of a big thing, which it was. But yeah, wanted to take a look at Blur. It's been massively, well, it's been quite controversial. You can see that we're down 84%. I do not think this is really the truth. As you can see, CoinMarketCap says that we started at $5, which I really think is not true. Coinbase, for example, shows that we had a listing price. It's all about the listing price, and we don't know that. Coinbase shows that it's more around, like, the listing price would be around $1.25, which means that we're still down a lot. All right, it means that we're down about 40% if the listing price was 1.25. But we're not down 98% already. Volume is absolutely crazy though, at 800 million. You can see that that some volume is coming from some unreliable sources such as BitUbu or Hotcoin. It's not great to see volume like that, especially not for analyzing, but it's something we have to deal with. And before you start commenting that technical analysis is impossible on Blur right now, since it has just launched, I partially agree with you. All right, I'm going to try to do as much technical analysis as I can, but I also wanted to talk a little bit about Blur still. As most of you know, Blur is a new NFT marketplace really made for NFT traders. And one problem I have with it is that Blur is there's really not a lot known about the project and the tokenomics and stuff. I couldn't even find a white paper on it like 2 days ago. I do know that it has some, and that's quite a problem because I do know, and I think this is interesting for most of you as well. I know that Blur has had some major funding. As you can see right here, fundraising has had some major funding by individuals, but also by Paradigm, which is a huge venture capital. So you almost have to know the tokenomics then. Because if all of these people were able to sell immediately, and Blur right now, even though they only raised $11 million, right now the market cap is 280 million, which is absolutely huge for a coin like this just launched. So if they would actually be able to sell immediately, which I'm not sure if it's true, but we don't know the tokenomics, then that's obviously unfair, and they could have caused a dump like this. So that's what I don't really like about Blur. The project on itself looks good, but still. All right, so purely on the technical side, really the main level, the main price level right now is around 75 cents. Psychological levels are always stronger in the initial phase of a crypto launching. We had some bullish momentum going on during the majority of yesterday evening and this night, but we gave that up around about 3 hours ago. We started some more bullish momentum right here, as you can see, but it's all about that 75 cents level. It seems to be that we're dropping down there again. If we can actually hold that for a second time, then I think we're moving all the way up to 85 cents again. Now, 85 cents really is the area to break. I'm not sure if we will. I think we'll get there, but I think we'll find resistance there. If from that resistance we're able to hold levels like around 80 cents, then I think we can also break above 85 cents and rally all the way up to 94.95, which is the next price target after 85. But all of this, as a kind of to circle back around, all of this right now depends on 75 cents. Because I think we're breaking down there, or we're dropping down there. If we do not hold that as a support, so if we, for example, drop down to 72 cents, then it's more likely that we'll drop down to like 70 cents and 60, 66 kind of, this area. And whether we can still get up to 85 and 95 cents from here is uncertain, but the chances significantly decrease, all right? So that's my take on Blur for right now. I'll try to make some more decent analysis on the price technically in the upcoming few days when it's possible. But for now, this is my take on Blur. Also some more information on the project and the initial exchange offering. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy your day and take care. Bye.